How you doing, guys? And welcome back to another episode to the Fresco Show. And today we're doing something special. We're actually going to Sito's baby shower. Yup, celebrating another addition to the family. And guess what? Hold on, I'm here doing what? Waiting for who?
No, you're not waiting for me.
Nah, you ready today, huh? You know why she's ready today, guys? Because me and Fresco went to a car show early in the morning. So she had all morning to get ready. And are you ready? Are you ready?
Am I ready?
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, check it out. Okay, you guys already know she has the bathroom mirror, the bedroom mirror, and this is the final mirror, the living room mirror. So once she looks at herself,
That's because you drive me crazy.
so once you see it, she's looking at the mirror here, you know she's done and we're ready to go. So I guess she is ready. Gabby, you ready? No. You're not ready? What's Fresco and Joel?
Fresco!
Oh, you ready? So let's go with the show. And like I Alright guys, if you're wondering, or by any chance you didn't see the car show video that me and Fresco went this morning, and we saw pretty cool exotic cars, and by that it gave Ogita enough time to get ready, because you know, she needs lots of time. Well, you can find that video on the Fresco Channel video content library. Also, you can find many other videos because I have over 860 videos to watch. Most of them are boating videos here on the east and on the west coast with the Island Hopper and the Hydro Sport. But others are exploring new places or family gatherings and many others to choose from. But most of them have something in common that people tell me is they all have a story to tell. Like the one today, our family and friends are gathering up to celebrate Sito and Rosy's baby shower and waiting on the new addition to the family. And let's check out the beautiful decorations. And this is a new place that just opened up next to the Miami airport. And look at this, we made it just in time because the place opened up at 1 o'clock and right now it's 1:30. And we got the lady up. Look. So now we wait around for the rest of the family and friends to show up because it seems like they're running on that Cuban time. And just in case you didn't know what the Cuban time is, well, I'm gonna explain it to you. Cuban time is you tell everyone to be here at 1 o'clock p.m. and they show up around 2:30. But events like this, it's not good to do that because you have a specific amount of time to be here. We have from 1 to 4 o'clock. So if you make it here at 3:30, you're only going to enjoy yourself for 30 minutes. Then you gotta go. But not us, we made it in good time today. And a good idea to do in these type of events is take lots of pictures because you're only going to do it maybe once or twice. And the pictures are going to be the ones that are going to preserve the memories. Lucky for me, I do video. This reminds me of a few similar messages that I've gotten through YouTube from people that view my videos and they don't live in the United States and they are one day planning to visit Miami or Florida. That they like the way I show different places and my surroundings in my videos and show the lifestyle we live, like the type of cars we drive and the clothes we wear, and also the different food that we eat and different holidays that we celebrate, because in their country it's a different custom, like the style of clothing they wear and cars they drive, and definitely the way they prepare their food. And talking about food, we ate breakfast around 8:30 in the morning. Now it's about 2:30 in the afternoon, so I think I'm gonna sit down and maybe they'll bring my lunch. You gonna eat the crackers? And just like I predicted, as soon as we sit down, they brought the food. So I should have sat down earlier, right? Well, this is gonna be interesting. It's gonna be my first time having tostones with chocolaco strips. And just in case you don't know what chocolaco is, well, it's skirt steak in Spanish. You tasted it already? No? And I'm curious. I wonder what the white sauce is. I can't wait to taste it. Well, the presentation, I'll give it an 8. And the taste, well, I guess I have to see. Hey, wait a minute. I sound like a food critic or a food taster. That gives me an idea. Imagine that. Opening up a food tasting channel. Just thinking about it makes me hungry. The only problem is gonna be is how many pounds am I gonna gain? And if I take my kids, the restaurant will go out of business because my kids never stop eating.
Alright, so here we go, plate number 2. Check it out, check it out. What happened? What is yours? No, not for you guys? They're on a diet? Mine's right here, bruh. Look at that thing, bruh. Excuse me, you touch my thing, you will die instantly.
Well, here it is, guys. Plate number 2. And this one has shredded beef, potato, and an egg on top. And yes, the name of this plate was on the menu, but I don't remember. But I do remember is the taste, and the taste is really good. And I also had that special white sauce that I'm gonna take a guess, and I think was garlic cilantro. And if you guys have noticed something about my videos about my kids, that the only time they're quiet or calm is when they're eating. But sometimes that doesn't last very long, because if one of us leave leftovers, well, they fight over it to see who could take it home. And the funny thing is, once it gets to the house, they hide it inside the refrigerator because they want no one else to find it and eat it. Okay, so you already know my kids and the food. Now, let's talk about the lady and her sweets. Yep, she can't miss it, and she ordered it. And this was pancakes wrapped with a special secret guayaba sauce that was really sweet.
So yo, shout out to the chef Frankie Bravo, chicken and waffles, and the breakfast bowl right here with guayaba. What else is in it? There's the breakfast bowl right here. Vanilla French toast, guava, whipped cream cheese, the breakfast bowl, and chicken and waffles right here. Thank you, Mike. Thank you, Ruben. Thank you, Jose. And for the beautiful location, man, I appreciate it. And thank you, Lindo, for helping us out. And thank you, Fresco Channel. If you guys like this place, check us out. And we got a baby on the way. Delicious.
All right, enough of that. Listen to me. Fresco Channel fun facts. All right, what's one fun fact of Fresco Channel?
Put it in the comments, right?
Put it in the comments.
And check us out. Everybody watching this,
Yes.
and gonna write this. Don't worry. This is on purpose.
Oh, this? Oh, they already know what's
They
up.
already know.
They already
You know
see
what?
me in the
Sandbar life. Estamos arrebatados.
Ese teeny bikini, me tienes acelerado, yo grabándole el booty, que soy un descarado, lo miraste del Caribe, con todo
Controlado, 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 controlado.
Fun fact, Fresco Channel.
Yeah.
He's hotter than the sun. Catch him in the ocean
For a little fun. Peace.
Fun facts, that's pretty cool. And you know what else is pretty cool? The way this place is decorated. It has many little areas that you can take pictures at, like this one right here. That definitely the girls took advantage of. And check out this spot here. This is by the bathrooms. What do you guys think? It's pretty cool, right? But now we're gonna try to do the impossible. Take a group picture. First we're gonna do the guys, then we're gonna do the girls, and then we'll see how it goes.
Channel, somebody.
Well, that was entertaining, but it was done. Now it's the ladies' turn. So get ready for check your hair, fix your makeup, fix your dress. Make sure you get me on the right angle. And the most important thing, make sure I look pretty in the picture. And then I say, this is a picture, not a Photoshop session. Well, and one thing that I learned over the years is when you take pictures of a group of ladies, when you think it's all over, nope, they're gonna start right back up again. So we're gonna let a few minutes go by and you're gonna see. Well, it's been a great time sharing with you guys this very special family moment celebrating Sito's and Rosy's baby shower together with family and friends. And that's also including you guys, the YouTube viewers. If you started watching me from the beginning, we've been together for 6 years. So that makes you guys part of our family too. So I guess Sito's new baby is gonna have a lot of aunts and uncles that live around the world.
I want it for me. Look at him.
like an Uber.
Ya se acabó.